Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable fried rice using an easy method. First, gather your fresh vegetables like carrots, peas, and corn. It's best to cook your rice ahead of time and chill it thoroughly, as cold rice works perfectly for fried rice. Chop all your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Finally, prepare your sauces and seasonings in advance to make the cooking process smooth and quick. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or pan over high heat with about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Add the harder vegetables first, such as carrots and bell peppers, as they take longer to cook. Stir-fry these for approximately 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add in your softer vegetables like peas and corn, cooking for another minute or two. Next, push your cooked vegetables to one side of the pan and add a little more oil to the empty space. Introduce your cooked rice to the hot pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure even frying. Now, it's time for flavor. Pour in your soy sauce, a few drops of sesame oil, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the taste. This combination creates that classic fried rice aroma. Finally, toss everything together vigorously, ensuring the rice, vegetables, and sauces are perfectly combined. Stir in some freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and freshness. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a dash of pepper. Your delicious, easy vegetable fried rice is now ready. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.